Hello and welcome to this week's broadcast. I am Anne La Follette, and I am a surface pattern designer and an online educator. And I thought I'd change things up a bit this week and focus on my free From Doodles to Dollars mini course, and specifically show you how to sign up for it, how to join the private Facebook group, and where to find everything inside that group, because that's going to be our clubhouse. Let's start with how to sign up. It's pretty straightforward, but let's just take this step by step. This mini course is free, but you have to sign up for it because some of the content comes to you via email and some of the content is delivered to you inside this private Facebook group. So there is a link to enroll that is right below this video, but it is members.art-with-anne.com/from-doodles-to-dollars. But you don't have to remember that. Just click the link that's below this video. Here is actually an image of what you see after you click that link. There's an area for you to put in your name and your email address. And I want to make sure that you enter that and then click the big red button that says Enroll Now. After you click that big red button, you'll land on a thank you page. It looks like this. The reason I'm showing it to you is because you'll notice that there is a Join Anne's Art Club red button. And I want to make sure that you click that red button that says Join Anne's Art Club, because that is the private Facebook group where we will be doing a lot of the homework assignments. That's where we're doing all of the September prep. And I don't want you to miss anything. Now, this part is super important. And so if you're multitasking, come back to me. Do you see the red button that says Join Anne's Art Club? Anne's Art Club is the private Facebook group that is our clubhouse right now and throughout the mini course. It's critical that you join us there because I'm going to be doing Q&A sessions, live demonstrations, and we're going to prepare together now in the month of September until Doodles starts in October. And I don't want you to miss anything. You don't want to miss this part of the mini course because some of the mini course is going to come to you via email. But a lot of the participatory components, your homework assignments, live demonstrations that I'm going to do take place inside Anne's Art Club. So make sure you click that red button. If you missed it, you can also just request to join by going onto Facebook and just enter Anne's Art Club in the search bar. I'll let you right in. To recap these key steps, sign up by clicking the link that's below this video. That's the Doodles to Dollars sign up page. And then make sure when you land on the thank you page that you click that red button that says Join Anne's Art Club. And of course, if you missed it because you've signed up already, not to worry. Just go to Facebook and enter Anne's Art Club up in the search bar. Now, let me take you inside Anne's Art Club so you can see how everything is organized and what's waiting for you there already. Here is the cover image for this private Facebook group so that you know that you're in the right place. All you need to do is request to join, and I'll let you in right away. Once inside, let's take a little tour so that you know where everything is. Facebook recently changed what things look like and where certain things are. So what you see might be a little bit different, but you'll get the hang of it for sure, and I'm here to support you. Take a look at the area right below the group name, Anne's Art Club. You'll see a series of menus including About, Discussion, Units, Announcements, Rooms, Members, Events, and more. That's a lot already. For now, we're going to focus on discussion, units, and announcements. I'm pointed to these on the image below so that you can see exactly where they are. When you're in the group, you're automatically on the discussion tab. And if you scroll down in the newsfeed, you'll see what we've been up to. Now, the Doodles mini course officially starts on October 5th, so you haven't missed anything at all, but we're using the month of September to get to know each other and to do some fun exercises to set you up for success when the mini course starts. Check out what's inside units by clicking on it. Units are super handy, and you'll find resources there already to help you get started. Unit 1 is called Doodles to Dollars Resources, and it includes a calendar of events for September as well as for October. I'm going to talk about those again in a second, but it also includes a list of supplies that you need with handy links where you can purchase them. Now, you don't need very much for this mini course, but people always ask me, what are my favorite pens or what's my favorite paper? So click inside Unit 1 and you'll find that supplies list, and then it'll take you straight to Amazon so you can purchase the supplies I use if you want to. Unit 2 contains student spotlights. Every Friday at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, I do a live interview with one of my students, and they share their story, their background, and how they're building a creative business with the skills that they learned both in Doodles and in my paid academy program. The interviews are fantastic. If you click on unit number 2, you can see a whole bunch of them there already, and you can watch all of the replays. But going forward, make sure that you join Anne's Art Club and that you mark your calendar every Friday at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, because you'll hear a new student story, and they're incredibly motivating and inspirational. Unit 3 contains links to 3 of my most popular Skillshare classes. And if you join Skillshare through my unique teacher link, you'll get 2 months of premium membership free. Skillshare is an incredible platform where teachers like me teach what we know. We share our skills. And there are 3 really popular classes in there for you to check out. And you can take them now as we prepare for Doodles, and it'll really set you up for success. Unit 4 contains replays of my weekly Facebook Lives, which take place every Monday at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time inside the group. I don't want you to miss those either. And so before I let you go, there are 2 super important documents that I would love you to print out and keep somewhere really handy. Those 2 documents will help you keep track of everything that we're doing right now in the month of September and in October when the mini course starts. You can find these 2 calendars in Unit 1 from Doodles to Dollars Resources. They are the September calendar of events and the October calendar of events. Here's what they look like so that you know exactly what they look like and you'll recognize them right away. Print them out and keep them above your computer or pin them to a tack board or put them on your fridge. I don't want you to miss anything. And it's super important that you both grab your seat to enroll in Doodles, but that you also join Anne's Art Club, because we're already getting started to get warmed up and to get ready so you're fully set up for success when Doodles starts at the beginning of October. I don't want you to miss anything. One last time, grab your seat in the Doodles mini course, and don't forget to join Anne's Art Club, where the magic starts right now. If you enjoyed this broadcast, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also click that little bell so that you get a reminder when my next broadcast is available. I always like to say in closing that I am Anne La Follette, and it's never too late to create. Bye for now, and I'll see you next week.